Hi, this is Asali, your Ojo Zenkar reader and relationship coach. This will be a general reading for Libra for the month of November 2017. If you're new to this channel, if you have randomly found my video on YouTube, then hi for that and thank you so much for checking out my video. And if you really like this reading, then do give it a thumbs up. I really love to see your comments, all the comments whichever comes in the list. I really love to reply personally onto it. And if you really like this video, share it on your social page, let others know what you're saying so that someone who desperately need help can go through this video and feel positive about it. Before starting this video, I would like to tell you something about myself. Myself Asali from India, Mumbai, and I use my Ozo Zen card. My Ozo Zen card are not a futuristic card. Those are the cards which help you to resonate with your current situation so that you can find a resolution for it. And my offer is going on for the month of November. If you really like to book a personal reading with me, then if you book for 15 minutes, I'll let 15 minutes from my end. If you book for 30 minutes, I'll let 30 minutes from my end. That means it will make it an hour session so that you can ask multiple questions in that and you can do a reading about it. So let's begin with the general reading for the month of November 2017. So Libra, let's see the general reading for you for the month of November 2017, what the cards really bring for you. If you're new to this channel, I'll definitely tell you what my spreads is all about. So this will be, I'll tell you what is about. Okay, so I'm ready to spread the cards. So this will be the current situation or the issue you're facing right now. This will be your heart, what your heart is saying, but you're not listening to your heart. This will be what others are saying about you. The others can be your friends or family or your loved ones. This is the solution for it, and this will be the final outcome for it. So let's begin with the general reading for Libra for the month of November 2017. And if you haven't checked my playlist for the month of October, you can do that. The playlist detail will be in this description below, and you will surely be able to see the October reading for October reading. Let's see what November brings for you. Consciousness. This is the situation or the issue you're facing at the moment. Consciousness. You feel that it's been a lot when you're going through in your life. You have been facing a lot of things in your life. It's time for you to understand what exactly you really want. You have been placing yourself away from everything. You have been working on a situation. You have been working on a project a lot, and now it's time for you to understand what exactly your conscious want. Conscience is nothing but you have been enlightened yourself enough. It's time for you to understand what you have enlightened, what you have achieved. It's not a problem, but it's a situation. You need to understand the situation, what exactly you have faced, what exactly you have been gone through. You need to understand that, for surely you will be successful. Let's see what your heart is bringing for you. Your heart is saying, to be successful, you need to understand what consciousness you have, what is brought in your life. For that, you need to break through. You need to break through all the situation, all the circumstances you are facing. Maybe a problem you are facing, maybe a bad things which is going in your life. You need to get it out. You need to get out everything about it. You need to just break the glass, break the ice, everything. Then you will be free. Finally you will be thinking from your heart. Finally you will be doing what you really want. It's not something that you don't want. Breaking through is like breaking through everything in your life. Maybe if you are waiting for a good career in your life, this is the real time for you to go ahead in your life, give it a thumbs up, and then you will see that a lot of difference in your life is going through. You have been a lot in the past. You have been gone through a lot in the past. It's time for you to break it. It's time for you to break it and go through it. The moment you break it and go through it, you will see a lot of positive, a lot of consciousness will develop inside you, a lot of energy will develop inside you. For that, you need to break the ice. Your heart is saying that you need to break the glass, you need to break the ice and get out of whatever you've been locked. It's like a mirror situation that you have kept yourself locked in something. It's time for you to get out of it by breaking, or if by hook or crook, you just need to get out of the situation. This is what your heart is telling you. Let's see what others tell about you. The others think that you have taken a lot of stress. In this figure you can see that this figure is juggling and lot of thing is doing at the same time. That means he is doing a multitasking at the same time. I really don't want you to do multitasking for the moment, because I feel that the moment you do multitasking, you feel very much stress, and the moment you are in stress, you feel that you have been locked into something, and then again the cycle will come up. Again you need to break through that ice, again you need to break through that lock, then your consciousness will come up. That's the reason I'm telling you that don't give a lot of stress to yourself. It's time for you to understand the situation. The moment you say the stress is given to yourself, this is an action card. You need to take an action to get out of stress. You need to take an action to get out of the stress. You need to take action to understand what you are made for. Let's see the solution. Source card. The solution itself says that a source card is an action card. That means that you really know that what you are made for. You really know, Libra, what you're up to. You really know what the situation has brings to you. You know how to conquer everything. You know the source, you know the every energy, the positivity and negativity, you know everything. All you need to do is trust yourself, believe in yourself. The moment you believe in yourself, you will understand that the stress was not you, the stress was the people, the stress was the situation which you are facing, and you have gone through it, you have break through it. That's the reason you are now feeling conscious. That's the reason you are feeling that yes, you have achieved something big, yes, you have achieved the peace of mind. For that you need to understand that you are the source, you are the sole purpose, you are the sole person who can sole purpose who can change the situation and make it positive. Let's see the outcome bring for you. Abundance. The outcome says that there a lot of abundance for you. The moment I say abundance, because you have achieved, you have come up with everything, you have been gone through a lot of stress, you have break through your stress, you understand what you are made for, you understand the source, you understand all your positive energy. Then physically you have a lot to give to others, because you have been into the problem for a long time, long time you have been in problem, and now you have been accomplished all, get out of all the problems, and now you have a lot to give to others. The abundance also means that you are sitting on the knowledge, you have all the knowledge in your life, and you know all the colors of the life, and your belly is open. That means that you are satisfied with whatever you are doing, and physically you can see that this person is really happy to be that person, to have a lot of happiness in your life. You need to understand that you need to get out of the stress, you need to break through whatever you're going through, you need to understand the consciousness which you have, you need to understand the source of the energy which will make you successful. You need to understand what best for you. Then only you will be able to see that whatever you're doing is really perfect, whatever you're doing is great, and then only you will be able to give a lot to others. You can see the reason I said you will be able to give a lot to others. That means to give others you should have something, right? To have something you need to work on it. So in a stressful situation you will not be able to work on it, right? To give something to others, you need to get out of the stressful situation. That means you have to work moment to moment on it. The moment you understand that whatever situation you are facing was a stress, you will break through it, you will find a solution from it, you will definitely find a resolution for it, and then you will understand that you have a lot of source, you have a lot of energy, positivity around you, inside you, to give others. And then this source will make you understand that there's a lot of consciousness you have earned, there's a lot of understanding you have earned. Then only you will be able to give to others, right? If you are not enlightened yourselves, then how you can give others what you have achieved, right? You can't give negativity to others, right? That's the reason I'm telling you to understand yourself, to break through whatever stress you have, to be positive. Let's see the final outcome, or the two-way resolution which I always give to you. First of all, I want you to get out of the stress. You need to understand that stress is not made for you. You need to understand that at the moment you don't need to do multitasking or have to dance on someone else's tone or have to dance on someone else's mind, because the moment you dance on someone else's mind, someone else's tone, you will surely be in problem, you will surely hurt yourself, you will surely be sad in the end. I want you to break through whatever you're doing. If you're listening to someone else, I want you to stop that and listen to your heart, because heart will always tell you the right thing. The moment you break through it, you will understand a lot of energy is inside you, a lot of ideas, a lot of positivity is inside you. You will definitely get the positive vibes out inside, which is inside you out, so that you will understand what exactly you want, what exactly your mind wants, what exactly your heart wants. The moment you understand that, you will be successful, and then you will have a lot to share, as in a lot of experience to share, a lot of ideas to share, a lot of money to share, a lot of wealth to share, a lot of healthy energy to share, a lot of positivity to share. So to be sharing person who have a lot of things, abundance means having a lot of things. The moment I say to you have a lot of things, that means you have gone through a lot. So for that, you only need to get the real resolution out of it, because you need to break through the stress which you're having. This was a general reading, Libra, for you for the month of November 2017. If you really like this reading, give it a thumbs up and do share your comments. I really love to check the comments personally. And if you really want to book a personal reading with me, the details will be in the description below. God bless you. Have a great month ahead. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.